circles didn't seem to be bothering them if you make up enough.
No, they're speeding.
Suzanne, when do you plant your garlic? Do you wait till the fall?
Well,
Okay.
are you just going to ride them in a circle?
I got a spot on my
You look good on him.
spot in my garden. I want to.
Annie, you don't need to
grow
come here
some.
so we can keep the same rhythm and not get any big rushes. Push them over. Okay, ride what you have. Better distance. Let me see you get a change. Simple change. Simple change. Good. Look. You've got to start looking. Ride with your outside leg back. Look. Nice. Back to the blue to the white. To the orange rather. Blue to the orange. Come on, go. Give that left hand forward. Right out so he gets that change. Yes. 1, 2, 3, and there it is. Woo! A little more. There. You just got what you needed. Just keep it. You've got to ride around that turn. Yes. Now you got a horse underneath you. Push him with that inside leg. Thank you for not coming. He's got to get that change as he's pushing over. Got a little ahead. Good decision. I like that decision. Not enough horse there, right? Shorten up your reins. Okay, good. Look how straight. That was a good approach. Push him over. Push him with that inside leg. Long and awkward. Good job. Let's do that again. Actually, let's just do the outside line. A little long, nothing bad. Beautiful. Okay, eyes should be on your jump now. I love your even hands. See, that's nice. This should come a little, you can tuck back a little bit, but that's okay, you got the lead. Don't rush him. Don't rush him. Keep him in your hands. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1. Long and big effort. Nice. Good position. Let him walk. Okay. Don't let him get heavy. Stretch up. Good distance. Beautiful. And that's it. Don't override. Use your outside leg. Gorgeous. Balanced turn. Keep that left rein. Now get your change. Ride out. Stretch up. Add leg. He's getting a little heavy. Don't look at that orange. Good job. Keep going. Stretch up. Are you going to come to the line? Blue to the line. But I want to see him land on the right lead. He's getting very flat. Stretch up. Lead. Nope, don't come. He's too much on his forehead. Analyze that rhythm. I'm not seeing a lot of connection, so kind of shorten up your reins. Good. Keep your hands up and out in front of you. Get them straight between both shoulders. And look right. Stretch up. You got it. White to white. You should already be looking at your next jump. Think left and left. Left lead. Left lead. Stretch. Good, you got it. Come around back to the blue. Good. Use the opportunity to stretch up and half halt. Look right. Come on, get the change. And line. 1, 2, 3, and long. Good job. Beautiful position. Nice. Okay, make sure you're connected and that you're thinking about your half halts and how you're riding downhill. Lift and lighten. That's all you need here, so don't push for more. 2, 3, and boom. Good job. I like it. Use your eyes. Watch you're not dropping down that inside rein. Inside hand, both hands up and forward. 3, 4, and now look right. Right. Good job. Inside leg, look. You missed a half halt, and he got an ew, and he got, start again. So what happened is you missed that half halt. Think of that rhythm. Yes. What? Look at that. Look at that kid. Look, inside leg, outside leg back. You got to look earlier than you're looking. Look already at the next white. And you already got the right lead because he's balanced. Right out. Look, plan. Outside leg back. You didn't stretch up in half halt. So I'd be very surprised if he got this lead and he got it. Yep. Nice job, Audrey. Audrey, you so obviously those, but he did not half halt. I mean, I saw him get longer and longer. But don't push, don't push, don't push. Ew, stop, turn, go. You have no connection with him. You're just like, come on, sit up and hold him and ride. You can erase that. Okay, he adjusted, good, and he got the lead. Push, good, oh my God, more than fine. Inside leg on, stretch up, lift him up, lighten him, come on. Get him straight in between your hands, and now. Okay, good recovery. Around to the blue. Start getting your eye on, get your outside leg back so you're not overriding with the inside rein. Left hand forward, push him into the lead, push him over. Come on, push him into that lead. Around to the white again. No, don't come, don't, okay. You didn't half halt in that corner. Okay, I want to see this better. Ride forward through that turn. Come on, ride forward through that turn. Stretch up. Don't let him get flat and heavy. Now look, push him into the lead. Yes, that shows me he was balanced in there. Nice job. Don't collapse.